सहारा सबका. Today we will be discussing more about anxiety, what anxiety is, how can we prevent it, what are the precautions that we can take for it, and also we'll understand what are the symptoms for it, so that will help us. And to answer all these questions, Dr. Alpa Doshi will be joining us. She has an experience of more than 10 years as a therapist. So, let's understand what it is from Dr. Alpa Doshi.
People who has anxiety disorder feels anxious in every small situations. Like anxiety disorder or anxiety issue is something wherein people start thinking irrational things. You know, the opposite person is going to judge me if I'll say something, if I'll talk. What if I will not be able to talk the way he wants to listen? Or I am going through a public transport and somebody is gazing me. I'll feel anxious. Oh, am I appearing appearance is looking good or it's vague. So every small things, if is worrying to someone, individual, then it is called anxiety disorder. Anxiety is also something wherein you also feel like there's different kinds of anxiety. One is social anxiety, one is separation anxiety, wherein you feel anxious about getting separate from your parents or getting separate from your kids, for which you start over caring to your kids or for your parents, is also a kind of anxiety.
If a person is feeling this anxious, what should be done? Because in these particular scenarios, right, as you were saying, if any kind of anxiety is occurring for all the PT issues, and
Hmm.
it's happening very frequently, then what should a person do in those scenarios?
The very first thing is start working on thoughts, because it is your thoughts which is making you feel anxious. Now, there are two types of fear or anxiety, you can say. One kind of anxiety is something wherein the situation is not harmful. The harm is over here, like the threat is over here, just over here, not in the actual situation. Is anxiety. Exercise and meditation. You feel anxious because somewhere your thoughts are overpowering, and to somewhere control your thoughts and make it silent, you really need to meditate and be aware about your body, be aware about your mind, about your thoughts. So second is meditation, exercise, yoga. Third is have a very balanced and healthy food. Again, very important. And fourth
Uh,
is have a plenty, like a good amount of sleep. Put 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
these people normally are able to work around and do everything like this, but who else can get these issues? Like, is there any age bar or anything, or is it again possible for everyone to get this anxious? So
Uh, there's no age bar again. There's no age bar. A small child, once the child may start socializing, okay, if at all his in and around or environment at home or in school is not very much favoring to the child will start having anxiety issues and anxiety problem. Now, I would also like to add over here, people whose parents are very overcaring doesn't allow their kids to take their own decision. Every time parents take their decision, or every time parents are there with the kids, to handle any problem or any situation, these children doesn't have, like, will lack confidence in themselves because they've never handled things by themselves. So
hmm.
one is over caring is not right from the parents' side. Okay. Secondly, if the parents are very authoritarian, very dominating, okay, and always controls the child in a very strict way. Again, the child can have anxiety problems, anxiety issues. Third, if the parent is very neglecting, have never paid attention on child and child's success and progress, and never appreciated a child or acknowledged their success, again
Yeah.
the child will have doubt on self, and then this doubt will then convert into anxiety. So parents plays a major role in the child's mental health, positive mental health. If the child is, if the parenting is not given in a right way, somewhere that there are very high chances the child will go through some of the other mental health issues, and one of the major mental health issues is this anxiety.
Anxiety and panic attack. So they somewhere similar or
They
how
are they
this?
are in a panic attack is an extreme thing of anxiety, extreme part of anxiety. For example, if there many people, many of them has blood phobia. Okay, or many of them gets panic by seeing cockroach or lizards.
Okay.
Okay, and you start reacting very impulsively on it, or when if somebody sees a blood has been taken, gets faints then and there, then this is the extreme uh, on a same and on a line of anxiety, the extreme thing comes is panic attacks.
Okay.
It's a
So
same, or yeah, it's the same thing. The panic attack is the extremes of anxiety. Building trust and loving self is the utmost importance if you want to get out of the anxiety.
correct. Correct.
So loving self and trusting on self is very important.
Yeah. I guess
Yeah.
this is all the questions that we had actually we wanted to discuss about. So we got
Mhm.
into, we understood that, this can be because most of them, approximately 45 million of Indians are feeling such a way in just a year of time. So that is a really big issue. So, but
It is.
understanding that this is just a thought process and you have to just build yourself in a such a way that you don't feel anxious and have a panic attack or something like that. So maybe you
Right.
can build your self confidence, self trust, self love, and understand that this is happening and accepting it that you are being anxious and
True.
going through it and just facing the fear in a way. So that I
Right.
guess help.
You can face it systematically. Like you can desensitize yourself in stages, in steps. But
Correct.
take a month's time and actively work on it.
So if I have a fear of snake or something like that, I can first look the pictures of them, and then I
Hmm.
can probably go through it and go to a zoo
Hmm.
and watch a snake, and then maybe
Right.
be at the last stage I can carry a snake. So I guess
Right. Right.
we
Right.
put it into a different stages.
True. True. That's how it works.
Okay. Thank you so much for that today. We really love this session, and thank you everyone for
Thank you.
joining this session.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so much.
session. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.